Hey, what is going on, guys? So you have a Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus here. I'm going to show you how to format the SD card while it is in the phone, okay? So very simple. So first thing you got to do is just simply go into your settings here. You can slide down the notifications, tap on the gear icon right there. And then from here, we want to scroll down and we want to go to device care right here. Tap on device care. And then you want to tap on storage down here. And now if you look on the top right hand side, you see those three dots right there. Tap on the three dots and then go ahead and choose storage settings right there. And now we can see the internal storage or device storage here on top, and below it is my portable storage, which is my SD card here. I'm simply going to go ahead and tap on that, and then I can tap format right here. And it says, you can read right here, format this SD card. Formatting will erase any existing content on the SD card. So anything I currently have on the SD card is going to be long gone. So I'm going to go ahead and continue to format this SD card just like that. Give this a second to get done formatting here. Okay, looks like it's done. I can go ahead and click on done. And there you go. You can see the 1.5 megs out of 238. This is a 256 giga SD card, but there's always like system files and whatnot, so you always get like a little bit less than the mine originally was 256, so now I only have 238.5. Anyways, there you go. Pretty simple to do. You can just go back here. You can see how much you got left on there. So any questions, just comment below. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.